Hello, my name's Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a double knitting tutorial. In this one, we're going to be looking at how to work an ordinary pair of double knitted stitches with the colours oriented first AB and then BA. The first thing to do is all things in double knitting start with both yarns at the back of the work. If that needs to change, it'll always be part of the instructions. So I'm going to start with both yarns at the back of the work. I'm going to knit the first stitch of the pair with my yarn A, which for this side is the yellow yarn. Then I'm going to bring both yarns together to the front of the work, and then I'm going to purl the second stitch of the pair with yarn B. And then I'm going to complete the manoeuvre by taking the yarns together to the back of the work like that. And that's created one yellow stitch for the front of the fabric and one purple stitch for the back. Let me show you that again, starting with both yarns at the back of the work. Knit one stitch with yarn A, bring both yarns together, that's really important, to the front of the work, coming between the needles, and then purl the second stitch of the pair with yarn B, and complete the manoeuvre by taking both yarns to the back of the work. That's really all there is to it. And if you want to work a BA pair, so you're going to be doing some contrast colour stitches, at the moment all of these stitches on this side are yellow, but they don't need to be. You just reverse the yarn A and the yarn B and everything else stays exactly the same. So that looks like this. You're going to knit this time with yarn B, and then I'm going to bring both yarns to the front, and I'm going to purl with yarn A and take both yarns to the back. That's literally the only thing that changes. You're still going to knit the first stitch of the pair and you're still going to purl the second stitch of the pair. You're just going to do it with the opposite colours. So going back to an AB pair, knit with yarn A, yarns to the front, purl with yarn B, yarns to the back. And to knit a BA pair, knit with yarn B, yarns to the front, purl with yarn A, and take the yarns to the back. Standard pairs of stocking stitch double knitting.